Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these fishtail lanyards. Really easy. Let's get on with it. Right, I've got about 5 feet of cord and a lobster clasp thing. You don't need 5 feet, but I want to have plenty of cord just to be safe. I've hung it around my neck to the right length and threaded it through. So here we go. This is what you've got so far, okay? Now what I'm going to do is going to get the right hand side cord and straight away it's going through the center and out the left, like that. Now the right hand side is going through the left hand side, going through the center and out the other side. So you've got this kind of thing going on. You've got a little X in the middle, okay? Like that. Then you do exactly the same. The right hand cord goes through the middle, out the other side. Left hand cord through the middle, out the other side. Cinch everything up like that. Like that. Let's do it again. Right hand side through the middle, out the other side. Left hand side through the middle, out the other side. Cinch it all up and keep going until you get to the length that you want to be at. Okay, I'll see you in a mo. Right, I've got the length that I want to go to, and now we are coming to the part which for me personally was the trickiest part of the guy's video. Now I was following him and I was pausing and going forward frame by frame and even matching the guy's hands movements just so that I could learn this knot. So I'm going to try and make it as easy as I possibly can for you. So here we go. I've got my right hand cord. I'm just going to bring it over the top like this. So you've got a D. Then I'm going to bring the cord through the middle like that. Okay. So basically what you've got now is 2 Ds. I've got a D there and a D there. Now the cord that I've got here, what I'm going to do is poke it through the bottom D and out the back like this, and then I'm just going to cinch and tighten the whole thing up like that. There you go. That is your locking knot. I'm going to do exactly the same on the left hand side. I'm going to make a D like that. I'm going to put the cord through the middle so it makes another D like that, and then I'm going to put the cord through the hole here and out the back. And it looks a mess and it looks like you're not doing it properly, but you are. trust me. Yeah, and you pull it all up, cinch it together, kind of pull it together if you have to, do both sides, and there you go. That is how to finish this fishtail. Now what you need to do now is pull it tight on both sides, really tight like that. There, I could do it, I'll go tighter. But see, now what I'm going to do is snip and singe both of these bits here and melt them into the end. Right, so I've snipped and singed there. Now I'm going to go to the other end of the lanyard, the halfway point, and I'm going to snip it in half. Because what I'm going to do now, I've managed to get some breakaway clips like this. I know it's black and it's hard to see. I've got some breakaway clips. So what I'm going to do is poke the paracord through the hole. There's one. Poke it through the other hole. Come on. It's always the same, isn't it? One goes through and the other one doesn't. Let's pull the cord up. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to snip that bit again. Get rid of that. Poke it through the hole. Oh, come on. Right, I'm going to get my pointy. There you go. Whoops, sorry. So I've got my breakaway clip on there. And what I'm going to do is pull the guts out a little bit, snip the ends, because I want to make a nice ball of molten plastic on the end. Oh dear, when I'm doing this on camera everything goes wrong, but this is real life. I'm not going to try and show you how to do it perfect, because this is real life and I'm sure people will get into more of a mess than me. Right, now what I'm going to do is melt the ends and melt them so I've got a ball. It's not too bad. And I'm going to get my tool and flatten down the edge a bit. I'm trying to make a ball so that the breakaway point, it cannot fit over. And yes, I just burnt my finger. Ouch! See, real life paracord, warts and all. Put myself through pain just for you guys. To the other side. I've melted the end. And then with my tool, I'm just going to flatten it off. Like that. So that now my breakaway clips, they won't come off, look. They are not going to move, they're not going to come off. And put my breakaway clip on. So there you go, one paracord fishtail lanyard. I'm going to put the plastic case on there. I sell these at work for, they have swipe cards and loads of people lose them. So I thought, why not make some of these so they can put them around their neck. And I've been selling quite a load of them. So yeah, there you go. Right, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. You can watch this video that YouTube wants to show you, or you can watch this playlist up here. Don't forget to ring the notification bell and subscribe down there so you don't miss a single thing, and I will see you on the next one.